What's up, guys? So we have finally reached Leh, and before I show you what my room looks like, let me show you what the scene outside the aircraft was like. So we were basically surrounded by mountains when we were about to reach. The last 15-20 minutes was so beautiful. And now for the stunning rooms. This is Gautam and Pooja's room. I'm gonna show it to you, okay? It is breathtaking. The scene outside the window, guys. Just see this, okay? So I will not Photoshop color correct anything. So you can see the actual colors. What you're seeing on the screen is the actual color. Do you see how lush blue the sky is? So beautiful. I want to wake up to this view every single morning if I can. And this little stream of water flowing. Can you hear the sound? Let me show this up close. So peaceful. Sorry guys, I'm shooting everything on my phone. In case you're wondering where everyone is, well, just like any typical friends group, you can give us all the space in the world. But we have to all cramp up together in one little space and hang out together. Let me show you what's happening. So everyone's chilling here. Pooja is talking about her patients. Gaurav is talking about his office. I'm vlogging. So Gaurav, I thought we were sleepy. How come no one is sleeping now?
We're talking.
Talking now. Nobody has taken a shower.
Chicken kadai, paneer kadai, butter roti, plain roti, steam rice, jeera rice.
Wow.
It's a good menu, yeah.
Lovely.
You can stay here only tomorrow. Try the food first.
He said a menu must be here only. How can it not be there? But then Papa, he's like 702 4th floor now. Okay, I'll tell you this.
For even them, climbing up so much is hard now. I don't know how that guy carried this suitcase upstairs. This is what, 5th floor, na?
He went off. बीच में रुक गया वो. He himself got tired.
We are on 5th floor, na?
Fourth.
You know what happened? So, Leh Ladakh, technically we are in Ladakh, not Leh right now. So, this is at a very high altitude, right? It's on the mountains. Like you can see outside my window. I love the view. Let me show this view again. Okay, you can't see it right now. Anyways, so because it is on such a high altitude, the oxygen levels here are much lower, okay? So we were climbing up the stairs and halfway through, I was so out of breath. I was like completely blacking out.
5 plain roti, 702. बोथ हमारा ही है जो भी. हाँ, एक स्टीम राइस, एक दाल तड़का, पनीर मखनी.
Yeah. And two bottles of water. So time for the lunch. Gaurav is not here. Gaurav missed his lunch, so we got it upstairs here. Gaurav, attack. Bon appetit. And look at the condition of this room, guys. We've only been here a few hours. Who will say that we are grown-up people? So windy. I thought I'll just give my skin some TLC. I just noticed some skin is peeling off from here. So I'm thinking is I'll apply a sheet mask. I can't decide which one. I actually got a whole load of these sheet masks because Pooja is also here. She loves sheet masks. Although she loves sheet masks, she doesn't use them. Like I have to force her to sit down, put on her face. Otherwise she'll keep running away. Hey guys, so time for a quick nap. So guys, here's the view from the terrace balcony.
Cafe should be open.
I'm just thinking, what's the plan? The shop closes at 7 o'clock now. It's already 7 o'clock.
Actually, I think it should be open. So what we'll do is we'll just lunch. Look at what
so
I'm
grumpy.
Well, at least warn me so I comb my hair. No, see how stupid
Do
I'm
you think
looking.
you'll comb your hair if I warn you? I highly doubt.
But at least I'll hide away from the camera, no?
That's exactly why I'm not telling you.
Look at me, man. Oh my god, guys, you're not supposed to see me like that.
Okay guys, so we are finally planning the rest of our trip. We've just come here like without any plan.
By the way, in Nubra there is ATVs etc. also.
Nice.
Nubra Valley में क्या है?
ATVs.
ATV? Oh, that one. That dirt wala. Ooh,
All terrain we do.
that'll be
all that
fun.
also.
He said there is rafting there, but don't do rafting. The water is dirty. You want some medicine?
Guys, do you see this? In the chemist shop also we have Mamaearth products. I feel so proud because I've been associated with the brand so much. See this? Oh my god, I have tried every single one of these just at the launch. This I haven't tried, the cocoa hand cream. What?
Sad.
Window shopping in a chemist
Friends who
shop.
window shop in a medical shop.
You both now, seriously.
They don't have much there.
That's your playground. That's your candy store, no? For me,
Honestly, because you know, I was just looking at that. I was just looking around. I was like, would I need this?
yeah, we should take pictures also. Yeah, we never click pictures ever. Okay, who's taking whose picture?
I'm taking your picture.
So cute.
Tuppa is a very nice dish.
I tried it once long time ago,
In Thailand
but it
and
wasn't
all
made
also
very
get
well.
it.
So I'm gonna try it again.
Very traditional.
Hey, what is that? That's also a cafe, no?
हाँ
देखना वो भी cafe लगा है.
हाँ वो भी cafe है.
Looks nice. Shangri.
Shangra.
It's got a very authentic sounding name also, no?
I think come in the morning.
And back in the hotel, guys. So tomorrow is going to be a very, very exciting day. I'm so excited. There are some amazing things planned out. As for now, so we went to the market area, right? We explored a few things. We bought some cake, had it over there only. And we wanted to check out some restaurants, but this place actually closes down very soon. By 9:30, everything was shut pretty much. So we came back. Now we have ordered dinner here. We'll just have dinner and sleep, sleep, sleep. Nobody here has slept properly since the last 2 days, because of the packing and the travel and everything. Plus, like I just said, the weather conditions here can be very, very, very something else. I think I can definitely feel the lack of oxygen in the air. So my body's still getting used to it. You need to do acclimatization. If you have never traveled to Leh and Ladakh, if you're planning the trip sometime soon, give yourself a lot of time to get used to the change in weather conditions. It's going to really help you. So yeah, that's what we are doing. I'll just go and join them for dinner. Nobody's playing music because I'm vlogging. How sweet of them, right? And my skin peeling has stopped, so I'm really happy about that as well. See, a little bit of darkness is here, but that'll solve for itself eventually. So yes guys, thanks for watching. I hope you are enjoying these vlogs. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to this channel and turn the bell icon for notifications to, get notifications of the next upcoming vlogs. Thanks for watching guys and bye bye.